Hey everyone, today we're doing hooded eyes. So I've already done lashes. The reason I've done lashes is with hooded eyes there's a lack of definition. By adding a lash you can kind of see where the outside corner of the eye is, which is very important with hooded eyes. I recently watched a tutorial on YouTube where somebody was doing a hooded eye tutorial and used seven different eyeshadows. That's a lot of eyeshadows for a complicated eye, and hooded eyes are complicated. What we're going to do is make it simple, really pretty, perfect for everyday, perfect for bridal. I'm going to use two palettes. I'm going to use my light gold palette, which is my blusher, my bronzer and contouring palette, and I'm going to be using Desert Blossom, which is my blusher palette. That's what I'm going to be using for the entire eye look. So I'm going to take the highlighter compartment from the Desert Blossom, and I'm going to use this to highlight whatever's available to me on my lower lid. I'm actually just going to do the inside corners of the eyelid and the inner corner, obviously, because that, to me, that area always looks really pretty when it's highlighted. And that way, if you're going to use the blusher as well on your face, you've got this harmony going on. Whatever's left on the back of the brush, I'm going to just apply to the end of the brow and then just kind of blend in with my fingers. And a little bit more. This is one of my favorite highlighters because it's just so pretty on the skin. And I'm just going to pack on a little bit more on this inner corner. So what I'm going to do is take my number 5 brush, which is this beautiful brush here, and I'm going to combine a little bit of the contour shade with a little bit of the blusher. And that's going to give me this really pretty kind of pink, beigey, taupey undertone, which is exactly what I'm looking for this tutorial. 2 eyeshadows. Absolutely unheard of. So with all hooded eyes, it's really good to get a guideline. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold just a bit of toilet paper, it's just a bit of tissue. And I'm going to mark it on the outside corner where the brow ends and the inside lash line, because I'm not going underneath the eye. I'm going to pop this into the socket and move back and forward with my eye open and contour the entire eye. If you have very close set eyes, you may not want to come in here. Otherwise, feel free to. And then it's locked right in. Now with it taken out, I'm just going to make sure that I've extended it. Now close your eyes and get that outside portion of the eye. Just going to blend those colors again. Outside corner of the eye. And bring it all the way till it meets that highlight shade. Revolutionary. Back and forward, back and forward. Make sure that it's blended out and down. Take your stencil away. What we've done here is, let me get a brush. What we've done here is contoured from the outside corner all the way in. So you notice it's now coming all the way in, and it's sort of just touching this space right here by the bridge of the nose. For me, I want that. But if you've got very close set eyes, it may not be a good idea because it can make them look closer set. Now, you see how complicated that was. We used a single highlight shade right here. So we've got that brightness. We've got it just at the brow bone, which I'm going to talk about now. And then we just use a single color all over the eyelid. I'm just going to move my mirror back. It does everything I need it to do. It takes away some of the puffiness. It gives dimension to the eye, but it's not overpowering. With a clean brush, same brush, but brush number, oh, come on. Brush number 5, come on, there you go. I'm now going to just blend this highlight shade a little bit more with a clean brush, just so that it bleeds up slightly more kindly. Because oftentimes with hooded eyes, you don't want to make this a feature. And by just blending it up slightly, you've created a softer transition. I know that was super simple and you wanted something complicated, but Why piss around with eyeshadow on hooded eyes when it's a very difficult thing to do anyway? It isn't a very simple procedure with hooded eyes. Skin moves, it can be really, really problematic. And by doing it this way, what we're doing is enabling us to use two shades, something highlighty right here where you can see it, and something that isn't super dark, that's really pretty, that just washes over pretty much the entire lid and the entire crease. And then you can just go out and you look absolutely splendid and divine, and you're pretty much taken care of. You might want to, just to sharpen things up, you could apply just a touch of concealer, just a smattering of concealer, just to clean up any edges. But I really like it. I think it's a really nice, pretty, easy way to do hooded eyes. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Appreciate it. Links for all the information, including my gorgeous products, are in the description bar. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.